I'm going to show you how to make your text size bigger on Android. For this, go to Settings and tap on Accessibility. Here, you might have the option for font size, but depending on the maker of the phone, this can be different. On the Samsung phone, this option is on the section Vision. On Vision, go to Font and Screen Zoom. On your phone, just look for Font and Screen Zoom or font size. You can change now the font and see how it looks with the new font. You can test different sizes and different zoom levels. Also, you can test different font types. This is how it looks on my phone. Thank you for watching and please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Bye bye.